My video guide will help you to remove fake alerts and intrusive advertisements related to the website Akuthyforemplo.xyz. By the way, the name of this website definitely does not make any sense, and the website is extremely malicious. It uses a lot of deceitful messages that try to force people into clicking on the allow button. For instance, the website may tell you to click on allow to download some file or to prove that you are not a robot or for some other reasons, but in reality, if people mistakenly agree with this proposal and click on allow, they will start experiencing a lot of troubles. First, they may be forwarded to some other deceptive websites. Plus, they will start facing the great number of such advertisements in the right bottom part of the screen. So if you see these ads and if you are not satisfied with such ongoing pop-up show, you need to fix your browser. Access the menu, go to Settings, select Privacy and Security, then choose Site Settings and in Permissions select Notifications. Pay careful attention to the websites that are allowed to send notifications. Now you need to carefully research this list, find this malicious site and remove it from the list. Surely you may remove other dangerous sites that might be causing similar troubles. So after you remove all these malicious sites, the troubles with these intrusive ads should be fixed. Now, I also recommend you to research your computer additionally with Combo Cleaner antivirus. Combo Cleaner will help you to detect and delete all these intrusive ads altogether and automatically. Also, Combo Cleaner will help you to fix other computer or browser related issues. Go to the page combocleaner.com, download the application and start investigating your device with its help to make sure that there are no any other hidden traces of malware remaining on your system. After you have successfully downloaded and installed Combo Cleaner antivirus, you need to select your preferred scan type. However, the trial version only gives you the quick scan option, even though the premium one has got full scan and custom scan too. Click on the Start Scan button to begin the detailed investigation of your computer. The quick scan will be in progress and it may take a while until the quick scan is completed. While the quick scan is taking place, you may experiment with certain settings of Combo Cleaner antivirus. It has got the powerful anti-ransomware feature. You may select a special folder where you may have all your files stored in a safe place and protected against all possible ransomware attacks. So you may add this folder and keep your files protected in it. However, this feature again is the part of the premium version only. After the scanning is completed, the program will give you the detailed summary of all threats on your computer and their exact location. Some of these threats may be related to your available browsers like Google Chrome or Firefox. Combo Cleaner will help you to fix your browsers. In fact, all the browsers that have troubles can be easily fixed by Combo Cleaner antivirus. And what's more important, Combo Cleaner will help you to detect and delete more serious threats like ransomware, and as I have said, it will help you to protect your data from being damaged and infected in the future. So, enjoy Combo Cleaner, consider upgrading to the premium version of the software to make sure that all your data is in the safe place.